At least 50% of Silicon Valley's wealthiest people have apocalypse insurance, either an underground bunker or a backup plan in case of emergency. That's according to LinkedIn founder Reid Hoffman. What's on the plate then? And why are more and more billionaires moving in? Stay tuned to find out more. This is Luxury Prima. The 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom property on Indian Creek Island was recently bought by the founder of Amazon, who is currently the 3rd richest person in the world, according to Bloomberg, in an off-market sale in June. A month after proposing to Lauren Sanchez, he recently bought her a $68 million crib in Florida's upscale Billionaire Bunker neighborhood. How about a billionaire bunker though? What makes the most luxurious homes in the world so unique? The Florida legislature incorporated Indian Creek in 1939 under a now-defunct law that permitted 25 or more neighbors to form a town. Today, the man-made island is home to celebrities, including Ivanka Trump and Tom Brady. Indian Creek is the most expensive city in the U.S., according to 2021 data from Zillow. A 10-bedroom mansion sold for a record-breaking $50 million in 2019 on the market. You must be a resident of Florida or have your name added to a certified visitors list in order to access this tiny secret island tucked discreetly among the state's breathtaking surroundings. Upon entry, you will be examined by security. 13 full-time police officers protect the island by land and sea. There has been talk of installing a laser beam security system around the island's coast to deter any waterbound intruders. The island's one entrance is heavily guarded. Every home has a view of the water because there are 41 individual property lots encircling the 300-acre Indian Creek Golf Club. According to Realtor.com, the median listing price on Indian Creek is $21.2 million. One of the listings there, 37 Indian Creek Road, apparently has a $59 million price tag. The building's developer, Todd Michael Glazer, initially declared he would accept Bitcoin offers. When construction is finished, the house will be put back on the market. However, they no longer intend to accept Bitcoin payments in light of the collapse of the cryptocurrency exchange. One of the more startling revelations was that membership in Indian Creek's ultra-exclusive golf club does not come with property ownership. Numerous houses have their own docks, but there isn't direct beach access, unlike other affluent Miami communities. Evidently, privacy was a primary concern for the wealthy residents, particularly well hidden from the street for some mansions. This quintessential privacy is what attracts high-profile names to the neighborhood, along with the extreme security precautions. It was very evident why the area was compared to a bunker. The Billionaire Bunker is a small neighborhood with a few residences, yet it is known for its residents' incredible riches and infamy. Who then resides here? Carl Icahn. It is hardly surprising that business billionaire Carl Icahn possesses a home with excellent safety features given his net worth of $7.3 billion. American Railcar, Exo Communications, PSC Metals, Tropicana Entertainment are just among the businesses in which he and his affiliates currently hold a majority stake. Adriana Lima. Brazilian supermodel Adriana Lima has a net worth of $95 million, the longest-serving Victoria's Secret angel from 2000 to 2018, and Maybelline Cosmetics spokesmodel owned a 2-acre property in Indian Creek, which was sold for $40 million in a private transaction, according to Mansion Global. Ivanka Trump and her husband Jared Kushner have lived in Surfside, Florida since they left Washington in 2021. She is estimated to be worth $300 million. After Julio Iglesias listed the beachfront property for sale in 2020, the pair was rumored to have spent over $30 million on it. Julio Iglesias. Another resident is the Spanish singer and composer with a net worth of $600 million, Julio Iglesias. The current value of the homes, according to data from Miami-Dade County's public records, is as much as $112 million. Iglesias has used 5 companies located in the British Virgin Islands, which is a tax haven, to to acquire a number of properties in Indian Creek, the sought-after island on Miami known as Billionaire Bunker. Tom Brady. The 45-year-old American football quarterback Tom Brady, who helped his teams win a record 7 Super Bowls, announced his retirement from the NFL on February 1st of this year. It appears that he will spend his golden years in warm Florida in his billionaire bunker. Tom Brady's estimated net worth in 2023 will be $300 million. Jeff Bezos. The newest name on the list of residents is Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, who just recently invested $68 million in a mansion nearby. The Amazon founder significantly increased his portfolio in 2019, around the time of his divorce from his wife of 25 years, Mackenzie Scott, when he spent $80 million buying 3 opulent New York apartments in a building with a view of Madison Square Park. It appears that Jeff Bezos' real estate buying spree is still going strong. Since then, the billionaire, who is currently ranked 3rd among the world's richest, has been making eye-popping investments left and right, including 2 more apartments in the same 1912-built building in Manhattan, David Geffen's $165 million Jack Warner estate, plus a nearby property, and his $78 million 14-acre compound in Maui. As you can see, the 300-acre private island in Biscayne Bay is well known for being one of Miami Beach's wealthiest and most tightly separated neighborhoods on a global scale. In addition to its breathtaking beauty, maintaining unparalleled safety and privacy is of the utmost concern to the people of Indian Creek. The presence of the dedicated 13-member private Indian Creek Village Police and a vigilant armed marine patrol that monitors the region of the island surrounding waterways consistently upholds this dedication. Forbes magazine published a report in August 2012 describing the most expensive residential sale in Miami-Dade County history. Within this enclave of 41 opulent waterfront residences, these magnificent homes offer a variety of opulent features, including resort-style pools, poolside cabanas, rooftop jacuzzis, full-fledged spas, fitness centers, wine cellars, and entertainment theaters, all embellished with sumptuous furnishings and the finest accoutrements. The island's attractions include an upmarket country club and an excellent 18-hole golf course that winds through the island's interior with a few holes lining the waterfront. Not far from the Surfside neighborhood are Miami Beach's upscale dining establishments, conveniences, and the renowned Bal Harbour shops. With all of this, the island becomes more opulent and suitable for the resident millionaires. The sumptuous residences in Indian Creek ooze opulence, catch broad views of Biscayne Bay and the downtown Miami skyline, and hold a commanding position in South Florida and on the world stage. We're left speechless by the sheer majesty of Billionaire Bunker Island as the sun sets on this sanctuary of privilege, a place where exclusivity rules supremely and luxury knows no bounds. We appreciate you traveling with us virtually around Miami's most prestigious neighborhood. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth studies if you're drawn to the realm of excess and the appeal of the unusual.